Hello garden friends, and welcome to my channel DK's Garden Oasis and another new year of gardening. I am Debbie, gardening in zone 6A, and I'm a master gardener and butterfly raising hobbyist. This year I'm going to show you how I garden in raised beds, containers, and in-ground gardening. And I hope to get my new business, Garden Consulting, up and running, where I show gardeners how to design, implement, and maintain their gardens. I'm also passionate about conservation of butterflies and what you can do to bring in pollinators into your garden. You might also see our puppy Sadie. She is a cross between an Aussie cattle dog and an Australian shepherd, and you may see her romping around the garden this year. If you're interested in learning more, hit the subscribe and notification bell for upcoming videos. So join me in the garden and learn how to bloom, grow, and conserve in the garden. See you in the garden. Bye-bye.